Hi guys, good evening. This is Vasu and I want to share with you information regarding free accounting software for the small and medium scale businesses. For especially for the non-accounting people, it's very useful and it's fully automated. Okay, right, where can we get it? So we can get this one from manager.io, manager.io. So here you can get the software, that's the software name also Manager. So once you go on that URL, you can get this window. So in this window, they people are offering so different type of packages. In that, for desktop edition, it's very free. Or else you can go for cloud edition or server edition. These are for multiple users. For desktop edition is for single user. So in this cloud edition and desktop server edition, you need to purchase. For desktop edition is free. You can download it from here. So once you click on free download, it will come to here and it will support on 4 operating systems: Windows, Mac, Ubuntu and Fedora. You can download whatever you want. Now if you want Windows, so you can download Windows. Once you download, click the download button, it will save on your computer. Once you save, you can install it. Once you install the software in your computer, simply you can get the business, you can get the windows like this. So in this, you need to add the business. So I have some businesses here. I can add the business, create new business. You can create or import. Import means if you have any manager file, like if you are now creating the business, right? This you can take backup. You can use it else later. So I will create the new business. So what the business name? Let's say my company name IMDI India. I will use India. Ads. So once we add the business, we can get the window like this. Here first you need to customize this window. So you need to add all those things what all you required. These are all the subcategories you have. In this you can add all those things. So once you update this window, so now first thing you need to go is you need to set up your business. How you need to set up? Go to settings. In settings, first go to base currency. What the base currency you want to use? Here you can whatever you want. Okay, let's suppose I can use INR, Indian rupees. I can update. Then later you can give the business details. What the business details? Your company name, your address. So again, if you have it is applicable, we can give the VAT number or TIN number. So then you update. Later you can give our business logo. So what the business logo you have, that you can give it. So my business logo is here. Update. So it's updated right now. Now go to summary. Now this is our business. Now we need to first add our cash accounts. Like what are all the accounts you have? Like new cash account or bank account. Like suppose if you have a bank account. It's base currency. What the account you can use it. If you have any starting balance, you can keep it. Create. Again, if you have any other cash account, you can create cash on hand. So you can create. Or what are all the accounts you have, that what all you are using, that you can create it. Now again, if you want to issue the invoice, so to whom you need to issue the invoice? You need to issue the invoice to customer, right? Then you can go to customer and create your customers. It's very useful for database also. You never lose your customers. You can maintain the record. Like suppose miscellaneous customer, I will give MISC. So you can give the currency, what that customer using that currency, and business identifier for VAT and customer identifiers, billing address. If you are suppose so it's email address, some @gmail.com. Again his telephone number that you can give it 9999. So again whatever all you can give it, you can give it. Create. So you can create the customer, the database will be forever. So now if you want to create a sales code, you can create a new sales code to whom you want to create the sales code. So suppose for this customer, this once you collect, everything will come. So description, suppose for printing machines, what is the description of the printing machine? If A2 size printing, some access details, quantity, how much quantity, what is the price you are going to offer. Create. So once you create it, it will create like this. You can print it directly from here. You can directly print from here. You can email from here. You can copy to sales invoice or sales order, purchase order, whatever you want, you can create it. Again, like that you can create the sales codes, sales orders, sales invoices, everything you can use it. Again, if you have inventory, you can keep the inventory items also. New inventory item, you can create the inventories. Suppose 1-2 item name, printing. So that's up to you. It's optional. You cost price, sale price, description. A2 size, printing. So if you give this created this like this, right? So now if you are going to sales invoice, new sales invoice. So now I was making again one more sales invoice to this customer, MISC. So it will come. Now A2 size, printing. So once what the item you are going to give, like this is the item, printing machine, inventory sales, A2 size printing, quantity, what is the price you want to go, you can give it. You can create the invoice. You can issue the invoice directly to the customers. Like this, you can easily create the invoices, create the codes. Once you write the invoice, if customer given the price, you can receive the money from here, receive money. So in this receive money, where you received, either in bank, if he is given the check, you can receive in bank. If he is given in hand, you can receive in cash on hand. Description, you can create. So once it's fully paid. Now go to summary. If you see on summary, cash and cash equivalents you have 1400. So inventory sales, you have sold 1400 invoice. Equity earnings, you have get 1400 invoice. So this is what. Again in the month you can get the reports, every report like profit and loss report, or you can get the balance sheet, or you can get statement of inquiry, everything you can. Age receivables for last 20 days, for last 22 months or last 1 month, how much balance you need to get. All these things you can get it from here. It is very easy and very useful for the customers and small business with the non-accounting people. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and I will come with more and more videos for you. Thank you.